My beloved child, you have cried over the lost years, the missed opportunities, the wasted seasons. But hear this powerful promise: I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten. Joel 2 verse 25. What was stolen will not remain lost. I am a God of restoration and multiplication. Like Job, who lost everything but received double for his trouble, I will turn your mourning into dancing. The enemy thought he had the final word, but I hold the last word over your life. Do not dwell on regret, lift your hands in faith. I am rewriting your story with my grace. Where shame lived, joy will overflow. Where loss was felt, abundance will rise. Declare, Lord, restore to me the years I have lost. I receive double portion blessings. Comment, restoration is mine, 888, like, and share this prophetic word. Support this ministry by joining membership or blessing with super thanks to spread hope worldwide.